Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Sony Alpha camera firmware via Imaging Edge Mobile, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Sony Alpha camera firmware via Imaging Edge Mobile, start by ensuring that your camera battery is fully charged. Next, download and install the Imaging Edge Mobile application on your smartphone. Open the Imaging Edge Mobile app and sign in with your Sony account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Connect your smartphone to your Sony Alpha camera using Wi-Fi. Once connected, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the app. Select the Camera Settings option from the menu. Scroll down and find the Firmware Update option. The app will prompt you to check for available firmware updates. If an update is available, you will see the option to download it. Tap on the download button and wait for the firmware file to download to your smartphone. After the download is complete, the app will guide you to transfer the firmware to the camera. Follow the prompts in the app to start transferring the firmware file. Once the transfer is complete, your camera will display a message indicating that the firmware is ready to be installed. Make sure your camera is connected to a stable power source during the installation. Select the Install option to begin the firmware update process. Do not turn off the camera or disconnect the power during this process. The camera will display a progress bar showing the installation status. Once the update is completed, your camera will restart automatically. Check the firmware version in the camera settings to ensure the update was successful. You have now successfully updated the firmware on your Sony Alpha camera via Imaging Edge Mobile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.